Hello, good morning to you all. Today I'll show you how you can convert a PDF file to Word without any software. So in Google Drive we have an excellent useful option which we can convert a PDF file to Word. I'll show you. First of all, open your Google Drive. Okay, I'm just getting logging into my Google Drive. I have already logged in my mail, so it's directly opening my Google Drive here. Go to Google Drive. So this is my Google Drive with respect to that particular Gmail. So I'll upload a PDF file, a simple PDF file to convert it into Word. So I'll upload file, which I have a simple PDF desktop file here. So I have downloaded a simple PDF file to show you. So first you need to upload your PDF file into the Google Drive. You can just refresh it once. Okay, this is what the PDF file you have just uploaded. So right click on it with your mouse, click on open with Google Docs. So what I'm doing is I'm just opening that PDF file with the option of opening it with Google Docs. Google Docs in the sense it's a looks like a document which we can save it in the Word document. Just right click on the PDF file, whatever it may be, and you'll get the option like open with, and you need to choose Google Docs. So yes, here is the PDF file which I have opened with the Google Docs. So you can just go to file here and save it as or download as Microsoft Word. See here .docx means Word format. See here the PDF file with .pdf is converted to .docx without any software. Just using Google Drive we can do that. Just upload it, open with Google Docs and save it as or download it as document file. I hope you like this and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.